All right. So again, we kind of did the front loading, and again, not all of us needed that, and some of us still probably don't need that to figure it out. But again, it's a good reminder of how we kind of solve these problems. All right. So I don't know how many steps it's going to take, but I do know that I'm going to need to multiply some numbers. I probably need to divide some numbers, right? Because I have to divide by 32, and then, I have 32 folders, and then I need it for a certain amount of classes, and then I have to break it apart in the 75 and 25, right? So, all right. So I'm going to just put a question mark for right now, and then we can go back in and fill that in, or we can just leave it blank. So first, let's figure out how many classes we are going to need, right? So we have 6 English plus 4 social studies is going to be a total of 10 classes. I know that I need 32 folders for each of those 10 classes. So that's going to be 32 times 10. Okay. Remember, we want the least number of leftover folders, but they also stated in there, and I guess we could add that to our constraint, is that we want to use packages of 75 first, right? They wanted us to use the package of 75s before we went into the 25s. All right. So we're definitely going to need to figure out, I wasn't supposed to do that, but that's okay. We're definitely going to need to figure out what 32 times 10 is. This one was really easy, so we can do that. Then when we get that answer right, we're going to need to do that number divided by 75 to figure out how many total whole packages of 75 we can do. Okay? So down here, we will actually do that work. So we have 32 times 10. And what does that equal? 320. Now, some of us are really good with our math skills and using a calculator and knowing what the heck it means. Some of us struggle with that. So, what I want to, double check with is just seeing what works for your brain. So again, some of you will be able to say, okay, I'm going to take 320 and I'm going to divide, actually, I'm going to do that down here. I'm going to take 320 and I'm going to divide it by 75. And when I do that, I get 4.26 . Well, some of you are going to know, okay, well, I can get 4, and then 4 times 75 is 300. So 320 minus 300 is 20 left over. Some of you are going to need to do a table. So if I have 1 pack of 75, I would have 75. 2 packs of 75 would be 150. 3 packs of 75 would be 225. 4 packs would be 300. 5 packs would be 375. So I can get 4 packs and then I'll have some left over. Okay, so whatever makes the most sense to you.